In this second exercise, we're going to take a list of words and turn them into an acronym. So we're going to call this chap12ex2.py. So for example, in my humble opinion becomes IMHO. So to do that, we're going to use the map higher order function along with a very simple function we're going to define first, which simply returns the first letter of a word. All right, so let's give it a shot. We'll start off with our list. So here's our list of words in my humble opinion. Then we'll create a variable acro, and we simply create a list from the map of first to words. And then we'll print acro. Looks simple enough. Then when we run the program, you see we get still a list. So what we really need to do is we need to get this list into string format. And it turns out that there is a very nice Python function for doing that called join. We can take the join function. First thing, we're going to create a variable again, acro. Then we're going to say acro is equal to acro.join. We have to have an existing string. So that's why I set acro equal to empty string. Then I said acro is equal to acro join. Then we call list map first words again. And then we can say print acro. We'll save it and run it. And that gets us very close. But most acronyms are all capital letters. So we need to get it to capital letters. To do that, all we have to do is use the string function upper at the end of the string that we create right here. So let's save the program. Let's clear the screen, run it again, and there's our acronym. So now what we probably want to do is take that and turn it into a function. So how do we do that? Well, we simply take the code that we've written down here, and so we'll say acro is equal to empty string. Acro is equal to acro join list map first words upper, and then return acro. And then we can comment out all this other code and then say acro is equal to acronym words and then print acro. And we should be good to go. Let's clear the screen. And there we go. So to create a function to make an acronym out of words, the first thing we do is create a very simple helper function first, which we use in our map function. Then we add it into our map function right here and make a list out of that, and then join it so that each element is melded into one string, which is right here. And then the last step is to make it all uppercase. So we'll highlight it like so, then return the resulting string. So that wraps up this exercise, and that wraps up this chapter on advanced uses of functions.